Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Come couponing with me at Walmart this week. There's over $5 in moneymaker deals that you guys can do and a ton of deals under $2. So if you're working towards any of your Ibotta bonuses and you're looking for easy and cheap deals so you can get those bonuses for extra cash back, this is gonna be the video for you. If you guys are new here, welcome. Please take a second, hit that red subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel, and it's completely free to subscribe. I'm working towards my midweek moneymaker bonus. We did so many different rebates at Walgreens and CVS this week. I did post those videos on my channel already. If you haven't watched them, definitely go do so. So today I only need 5 more rebates, but I'm gonna be doing probably 15 rebates because there's just so many great deals. There's a couple any brand offers as well that are double stacking. You know, I'm gonna break it all down for you guys in this video, make it as easy as possible for you. So below in the description box is gonna be the referral codes to all the different rebate apps, plus a printable breakdown that you guys can use. Some of the deals I find in store kind of on the fly, so not every deal is gonna be in that breakdown. So definitely stay tuned here for more details. At the end, I'm gonna submit my receipt to each of the apps. We're gonna go through exactly what this winds up costing me and how I calculate my cash cost for the products that I'm buying, just to help us in regards to our budget. So let's head inside and take advantage of so many freebies and money makers. First, we're gonna start off with a big moneymaker deal on the Smucker's Natural Peanut Butter. So you're gonna wanna check your Fetch Rewards. For me, I have 5,000 points back, or $5 back. Redemption level is 3. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these at $4.12 each, get $5 back each, makes them all 3 completely free in a $2.64 moneymaker. Next deal I'm gonna grab is on the single count of the Kleenex. It has to be the Cooling Plus Aloe. They're $2.28 at my store. Submit over to Ibotta for 50 cents back, makes it $1.78. Here's a great clearance find. I was actually gonna share this deal if it wasn't on clearance. So the St. Francis wines, it doesn't matter which ones you grab. The Sauvignon Blanc is the cheapest one. This one happens to be on clearance at $12.98. You can submit over to Ibotta. You're gonna get $2 cash back. So that would make it $10.98, not a bad deal. But there's a ton of bonuses. So if you buy 4 of them, you'll get a $4 cash back bonus. If you buy 6 of them, you'll get $9 bonus. Next deal I'm gonna grab, it's not the best deal, but it's a product that I need for my son anyways. It's on the Berry Light, it has to be the acai berry. Submit to Ibotta for $1.25 back, makes it $2.21, limit is 2. Next, we have another nice moneymaker deal. It's all digital as well, and anyone can do this. You're gonna grab one of the oils plus the refills here. These are $3.78. There's 2 different scents at my store. Submit to Ibotta, you'll get $3 cash back. The limit is 1. Then submit to Shopkick. You'll get back 235 kicks, which is 94 cents. Makes it free in a 16-cent moneymaker. Another incredible deal thanks to Fetch Rewards, because they're in the middle of Fetchtopia. I think today's the last day. They have an amazing deal on Blue Buffalo Wilderness dog food. You're gonna grab this one that is 4.5 pounds. It's $19.98. You're gonna submit to Ibotta for $3 back, plus it's attaching to a 10-cent any cat food rebate for me. Then check your Fetch Rewards. Mine is now $12.50 on one of them, making your final cost $4.49. That is over 75% off. On a side note, if you've been subscribed for any amount of time, you know how much I absolutely love earrings. And they get me every time. Look! Oh my God, little hot chocolate earrings. Are you freaking kidding me? These 2, I don't know what that is, like a martini or something. Amazing. Oh my gosh, I think I'm definitely gonna have to buy those right now. How much are they? Hopefully they're like 5. Doesn't say, so I will find out and let you guys know at the end if I grab them. Definitely check your Halloween aisle. Mine are already 25% off, which is amazing. There's a ton of products left, especially for outdoors, so you can stock up for next year. I think I'm gonna grab a bluey one. This is so cute. My son loves bluey, so next year that would be a perfect blow up to grab. And 25% off is a good deal. I don't know, I might wait and then see if they still have some available for when it hits like 50 and 75%. More freebies that you can grab. Grab any 2 of the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. I'm gonna grab 2 of these at $3.98 each. Submit to Ibotta for $2 cash back each. Then submit to Swagbucks for $2 back as a coupon reimbursement for one of them. And check out 51 for $2 back on the second one. Makes them both completely free. Next, we have a really good deal on kids toothpaste, and we don't usually get a ton of great deals on these, so definitely a good time to stock up. You're gonna grab 2 of the Hello products that are $4.46 each. Submit over to checkout 51 for $1.25 cash back each. Then you're gonna get on Swag Bucks $4 back when you buy 2. Makes them $2.42 for both, or $1.21 a piece. Next, we're gonna grab some lotion, perfect for the season because my skin is already drying out. I'm gonna grab 2 of the Nivea lotion. You wanna grab this one. I scanned this one because this is what I originally wanted. It does not work with the Ibotta rebate. That's why it is so important to scan the products on the app while you're in store so you don't have any issues or surprises at checkout. Then we're gonna submit over to Swag Bucks. We'll get $2 back on one as a coupon reimbursement. Then we'll submit over to checkout 51 as $2 back on the second one as a coupon reimbursement. So that'll make them 97 cents a piece, which is a great deal for some lotion in my opinion. So definitely snag it if you need it. Okay, we're back in from Walmart. I am sucking on a Ricola because my throat is just absolutely killing me. So let's go over everything that I wound up grabbing. Here's my receipt. I paid $84.12 plus taxes, so total is $86.83 out of pocket. Because we're doing it all digitally, it makes it so easy because there's no paper coupons or anything at checkout. You just check out, you pay, and you submit your receipt when you get to the car. I'm still in the parking lot, as you guys can see. Make sure you submit your receipts while you're in the parking lot so you don't lose your receipt and you don't miss out on rebates, because some of the rebates I'm submitting for have 1 day left. So if I even forget until tomorrow, some of that cash back may be gone, and you don't want to leave that money on the table because that's savings that you can have. So let's talk about all the cash back that I got. First is Ibotta, got back $20.50, plus I got the $5 midweek bonus. Now with Ibotta, you can cash out right when you hit $20. So the second this clears and hits my account, usually within 24 hours, bam, I can transfer that right to my bank account and get the cash back really fast. Next, we have Fetch Rewards. Oh my gosh, $29.37 because of their Fetchtopia, but that does end today on the 28th, so keep that in mind. Next is Swag Bucks, shows $14, and then on the next screen it shows pending for $4. That's because the $4 is coupon reimbursement, so it's like manufacturer rebate reimbursements. So that usually hits your account. It's like 3 to 7 days. It does take a minute. The other ones are just like cashback offers. So it is a little different. That's why it shows that way. Don't freak out and think that you did something wrong or you got the wrong product or anything like that. No. Then checkout 51, I got $6.50 back. And finally on Shopkick, I got 94 cents back. So in total, we got $80.31 back by taking, it took me 3 minutes and 30 seconds. I timed it to submit my receipt to all these rebate apps. So for all those people on the internet that are like, that's too complicated, that takes too much time, if you could make $80 in 3 minutes, would you do it? I would. $80, holy moly. So that's what we did. Let's go home now. We're gonna enter everything into our digital budget spreadsheet. It's gonna calculate our percentage saved and our real cash cost, see how much we wound up spending today. We're back home from Walmart. This is the easiest one to put into the digital budget spreadsheet. So I have this spreadsheet linked for you guys if you want it, or it's included in my Everyday Savings Club. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll link that below for you guys as well. That's the club where I provide you all of the coupon deals to save you a ton of time. All you have to do is go through the deals that I provide you, go to the store, and be able to save money on the products that you need. So what you're gonna do is you'll get this downloaded. We're gonna put in the date. You'll pick from the drop-down menu. Meijer and Kroger are included in the version that you're going to be downloading as well. So if you do coupon at those stores, no worries. Sale price is going to be the total for everything. Of course, there's not really any sales at Walmart. So we are at, and then out of pocket is the same. There are no rewards at Walmart, so you don't have to worry about that. I didn't use any gift cards. And then total cash back, we're gonna add it up from all the different rebate apps. We earned $80.31 back. So we saved 92% today at Walmart, including that huge bag of dog food, which I'm super freaking excited about. Even if it's a dog food that your dogs don't use, You can always donate it if it's something that's going to help you reach your bonuses, but that's totally up to you guys. That is a good backup food that my dog will eat. It's what they used to eat. So if I ever do run low or anything like that, I have some backup dog food for them. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. This is going to be the last haul that I do for October. So we're going to finalize our budget. And by finalize, I mean all we have to do is look up here because everything's calculated for us in this spreadsheet. So I saved 85% this month. Last month, I saved 84%. So we're doing even better, which is crazy. I saved $581.66. So what I'm going to do with that is put part of it towards my holiday savings to save money for all the holiday gifts, the travel, the hosting, the food, everything that we're doing. I think we're doing Thanksgiving, and then my brother-in-law and sister-in-law are going to be doing our Christmas Eve family party that we usually do. So therefore, I need to be able to buy a lot of food and everything, so that'll come out of that budget. The other part of that budget is going to go towards my truck payment, and then the other part of my budget is going to go towards my student loans. That way I can help get rid of debt at the same time. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to do a full video on this. I'll be posting it in my Everyday Savings Club for exactly where I'm going to allocate the money. So if you're in that club, go to the Facebook group and you guys will see that. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.